Wash and vacuum at the same time. Forget about traditional sweep and mop. Yes, no more double cleaning all thanks to ThinKO iFloor Cordless Hard Floor Cleaner. It is able to vacuum and mop in both dry and wet environments. In addition, cordless that make daily cleaning easy and effortless. By the way, do check out my ThinKO iFloor unboxing video for package contents and hardware tour in detail too. Can ThinKO iFloor vacuum like normal cordless cleaner? Yes, why not? However, it is not recommended for long cleaning process in dry mode. As you can see, flour, long leaf, and the heavy mung beans can be picked up easily by iFloor. Furthermore, it comes with mopping ability. Yes, iFloor can even vacuum sticky soup and clean the floor at the same time, and does its job in single trip only. Everything was vacuumed and cleaned. Easy and time saving indeed. ThinKO iFloor really makes daily cleaning easy and effortless. Thanks to cordless and light in weight. Easy to lift and carry around. Flexible, easy to maneuver, and able to clean in a tight space. You can also turn on sport mode to remove tough stains with higher speed and stronger spray. By the way, it can mop corner of the wall, around 2 cm gap there. Vacuum is okay though. Other than that, everything works perfectly. Surely make your house cleaner and smell nicer with added cleaning solution. iFloor is able to clean around 80 square meters thoroughly in single charge. Battery lasts 30 minutes on normal mode, 5 minutes shorter on sport mode, which that there are 3 levels of battery indicator instead of one with flashing red when low power. You get another 1 to 2 minutes extra juice only then. By the way, it takes around 4 hours to fully charge. A stable noise level with less than 70 dBA on normal mode, slightly quieter on sport mode. Yeah, it has self-cleaning ability by cleaning the brush roll thoroughly by itself. Great to use after light cleaning. As for manual cleaning, it is fast and easy too. 3-in-1 cleaning tool is your best friend in this situation. Use it to clean dirty water tank, pre-filter, filter, and floater. Same apply to brush chamber and the opening. As usual, always dry them out after clean. Well, that's all for ThinKO iFloor review. A very useful cordless floor washer for hard floor, no doubt. Wait no more and get one with the link below. You will like it as I do. By the way, it comes with worry-free 2 years warranty. Thanks for watching. Peace.